Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be looking back at 2020 and everything that I've done through it and everything that I've improved on and what I've got better and what I've learnt from it and some of my best moments of 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a good 2021. So starting from the very start of the year, in December, but pretty much at New Year, I got my new bike, the Marin B-17 TWO, and it was my first time riding it out on some actual trails. So here I am riding some kind of hidden trails up at Holden. They're not that hidden anymore and they're quite easy to find just off to the side of the blue trail. But this was the first time I'd ever ridden a full suspension bike, and I was really excited and I was amazed with how soft it was and how easy it felt riding. So here are a few of the photos and a few films of when I was riding with my brand new full suspension bike. So the next pretty exciting time was when my YouTube channel, which used to be called Sprout Plays, hit 300 subscribers. I know it's not like a big milestone, but for me it was pretty good. So moving on, it was around my birthday time, so the 19th of February, and at Holden they built this brand new feature, and this was my first time conquering it. So although there was lots and lots of trying in it, I managed to conquer it, and luckily not even putting a foot down. So then we had lockdown. So during lockdown I did some pretty fun stuff, including clearing my first ever jump. So although it wasn't the best clear, as you can see here, and I went almost over the bars, I luckily didn't. I had a really fun time trying to clear the jump, and hopefully I might be able to go back there soon and try and clear it a bit nicer rather than almost going over the bars. So before we move on, here's me trying to manual at the bottom of the jump and try and keep it stable. Although it wasn't the best attempt because I didn't actually clear the jump, it was quite fun trying, but I thought it's probably better not to try that in case I fall backwards. So before we finish on the jumps, although I did say we would have, here is a jump right at the same area, but it goes upwards. And I didn't really actually know what my plan was here. I was just going to do it like a normal tabletop, but my plan didn't really work. So here you can see me going upwards and then getting flung into the air, as I wasn't going fast enough because I didn't really take off that much, which is quite funny. So then lockdown was over, and here you can see me clearing the rock feature in the summer now, which is quite fun. So I think I've got a lot better of riding over that period of time when we're in lockdown, as I had some local trails which I found out, and I think they helped me progress a lot more in my riding. So a month or so later, it was time for me to get my new bike, although I didn't really need a new bike as I got one for Christmas, and that was a pretty good bike. And I don't think I could have got one much better. But then I found an amazing one with 160mm of travel front and rear, although the rear isn't 160mm, it's what is termed as, but it's half that, so it is 80mm, which is really good for a air shock at the rear. And I took it for my first ride up at Holden, and then straight away we went straight to the Forest of Dean and had some fun up there. So after having some more fun up in Wales and going up even higher in Wales, it was time to ride the Marin Trail after a very stormy night in a nice tent. So although there were many amazing sections all along the Marin Trail, I didn't really want to include any chest cam footage, as I didn't want to keep the video too long. So here are some of the just few bits which I filmed using my phone, and here are some of the best bits of the Marin Trail. So although this year many more amazing things have happened all along the way, and I've really enjoyed the year, although I know because of coronavirus we haven't actually been able to do loads due to lockdown, but I've had lots of fun this year and I hope you have too, and I hope you enjoy 2021. And all the videos, the clips I've used out of, should be linked down below. Go and check them out in a bit more detail. You can have some fun looking there. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you with some more videos, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the year, and I hope you enjoy all of my videos that you'll see.